Hello, my name is Dwayne Baker. I am the Volunteer Program Coordinator for ABQ RIDE's new Ambassador Program.
Hello, I'm Sean. I'm with the ABQ RIDE Ambassador Program, and I'm also with the ABQ Transit Customer Service Team.
Hi, I'm Althea Atherton. I'm a Navigation Ambassador with ABQ RIDE, and I'm also Chair of the Transit Advisory Board.
Maddie from our ABQ Transit team invited me to do photo op, and that's when I decided to join the Ambassador Program.
I got involved with the Ambassador Program because the Albuquerque Transit Riders Union, which is a big passion of mine, knew that there was something missing from our transit system that would help people navigate the system and be kind of like a customer service presence on the bus. And so they asked for this program to be created, and I was very, very excited about it and decided to volunteer right away.
I can share with you that both ambassadors that we currently have are genuinely heartfelt, genuinely caring individuals. They're, in my opinion, in our community, they exemplify what's the best of that Albuquerque has to offer. They are willing to step up with a spirit of kindness and for the betterment of others, want to genuinely help others in their daily lives get to and from where they're trying to go.
I love being an ambassador, helping folks, understanding the bus system and helping them do the CSA and the transit app.
I like that I can kind of take some of the pressure off of the drivers. I think it's really important for them to focus on getting us safely from point A to point B. And when there's certain customer service things that come up, like navigational issues or questions people have about the system, I think it's helpful for them to have someone to handle those questions so they can just focus on getting us where we need to go. I think the most important thing you can do is download the transit app because that is going to show you exactly when your bus is going to be there. If for some reason there's a cancellation or a delay or a detour, that's going to tell you what's going on. It's also kind of fun because you get a little emoji and then you can watch your little emoji go around town. I enjoy that. I also think, the CSA app is good too because if anything comes up and there's not an ambassador on board to help you out with that, then it's great to have a direct line into transit to let people know what's going on. And I also think just try different routes. Look at what the routes are that go from maybe a convenient place near your home or near your work, and then see what kind of fun you can have and see what kind of places you can go, what museums you can check out. Have fun with it.
If you'd like to help your community, I would really recommend doing the Ambassador Program because that is a great outreach to folks that don't have a smartphone or don't understand the bus system, so you can help them.
Why you become an ambassador? You use ABQ RIDE daily or weekly. Whenever you get on the bus, you use us for getting to and from your job to your wherever you're going, and you see the opportunity to not just socialize, but help others in a meaningful way. There's a myriad of applications that you can use that a lot of people aren't familiar with, and ambassadors are going to help you download those apps and show you how to use them. And they're also going to provide that information in real time for you. So no more needing to call 311 or 243 RIDE when you can get the information right there from someone with a friendly smile.
I do feel safe on the bus. I take my kids on the bus. I think that, you know, when there's more people who ride the bus gets safer, because that means that there's more people who are around, and people are less likely to harass people or harm them. And I feel like when I ride the bus, it's a joyful experience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next ride, and I hope you consider volunteering for the Ambassador program.
Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the bus soon.
Anyone out there that may be interested in becoming an ambassador, please give me a call at area code 505-228-6106, or go to cabq.gov/ambassador and sign up, or give me a call. I'd love to work with you, and it's a great and meaningful way to step up in our community and make things better for others.